In this video, we will show you how to use the relocation function with your Leica BLK3D. This powerful feature allows you to change the position of your BLK3D when it's not possible to measure all the points from one location. This feature is perfect for creating multi-room floor plans and complex layouts. Whether working on indoor or outdoor applications, this flexibility ensures you capture all necessary data. To get started, make sure you have the BLK3D and the DST360 adapter installed on your tripod. Select the P2P Measure menu and choose one of the BLK3D P2P functions: Measure Plan, Measure Facade, or Measure 3D. Make sure to level before you start measuring. Start by measuring the first room. You can decide to measure points, lines, or surfaces. Follow these next steps when you need to relocate your BLK3D to a different station. Press the Secure Location button and measure at least 3 secure points. These secure points will link your measurements to a coordinate system, making it possible to relocate the BLK3D. Once you've moved your BLK3D to a new position, ensure it's level. Then, press the button Start Relocation. Measure the same secure points again. You can select any secure point by touching the screen. If the measurements are correct, the secure points will turn green, and you'll see a confirmation message. Now, you may continue with your measurements from your second position. The BLK3D will render the 2D floor plan or the 2D or 3D layout on its screen in real time. Export your measurements in CAD format and quickly email the results to your office or client. Use the document function to add measurable images to your plan. Images are incredibly useful for measuring details that are difficult to access or that you may need to remember. You can measure from these images anytime and anywhere, eliminating the need for a second site inspection. These images are valuable for estimations and planning materials or preparing quotations. You can now transfer your plan to the BLK3D desktop software. You can export your plan in the CAD format of your choice, and you can switch between different places on floor plan to load the corresponding measurable images. Measure within images to document all the dimensions you may have missed during your site visit. And that's it! You now know how to use the relocation function on your BLK3D, and you're also aware of the benefits of the document function. Whether you're an architect, surveyor, or contractor, the BLK3D's relocation function is a valuable tool that simplifies complex measurements and maximizes productivity.